We often get asked, what's the 5 best tips that you can give us for financial planning to hopefully become very successful at what you're planning to do? So make sure that you start off by having clear goals. What is it that you want to accomplish? Once you've got those goals, create your budget so you know that what income you have coming in, and you know what expenses must be paid on a monthly or annual basis. So create your budget. After that, you want to build an emergency fund. You can do that by actually having a tax-free savings account as your emergency fund, just another bank account that's off to the side. That money is not for anything but something that would be considered an emergency. So it's not your retirement plan, it's not your kids' education plan, and it's certainly not your vacation plan. So think about the emergency fund. But in doing all of this, you want to make sure that you are paying off the debts that have the highest interest. So for example, if you owe credit card debt, say versus a mortgage, you would definitely want your credit cards paid off before your mortgage, because your mortgage would be a lot lower interest than a credit card that come in somewhere between 18 and 24%. So make sure that you pay off the high interest debts. And the last thing that you want to do with any reserve or extra money that you have, then you start to invest wisely. And when I'm talking about that, it's setting that money aside and it goes into an actual investment for the long term. Because with long-term planning, you will have the compounding that will make all the difference to actually help you succeed in your financial planning. And those 5 tips are not difficult for most of you. You should be able to do that. So as a recap, set clear goals, create a budget, build an emergency fund, pay off your high debt interest debt, and of course, invest the rest of your money wisely. And doing that, you need to talk to an investment advisor. So that would be where you would call myself or Dan through our website, book a free appointment. I'm telling you, we never charge to have a conversation, and you will walk away knowing more than when you walked in. I'm Linda Levesque at Levesque Wealth Planning. You asked, we answered. Until next time.